Welcome to Training and Inspection Services. We are based and registered in London, United Kingdom, and we proudly represent you the following e-learning API courses. API 510 Pressure Vessel Inspector, API 570 Piping Inspector, API 653 Above Ground Storage Tank Inspector, API 1169 Pipeline Construction Inspector, API 577 Welding Inspection and Methodology, API 580 Risk-Based Inspection, API SIF Source Inspector Fixed Equipment, and API SEER Source Inspector Rotating Equipment. Our e-learning courses have been developed by our teams of API Authorized Inspectors, Proofreaders, Editors, and Web Designers over the period of 2.5 years, going through 7 checkpoints. Training and Inspection Services guarantees the following for each course: 120 days course access, study plan, registration guide and exam tips, in-depth explanation of each relevant section of reference materials covering a complete body of knowledge, many self-explanatory pictures and PowerPoint presentation, extensive flashcards and quizzes, and at least 2 sets of mock exam questions with instructors online support. Pass on your first try or take the course again for free. For more information, please call us on 0044 0208 288 1771 or write us on training@qualityinspector.co.uk.